Hi, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this great manicure set that I got from Beetles. It's called Milky Way, and I think that that is the perfect name for this set. It gives you a beautiful selection of different colors and styles that really do remind you of the stars. So if you're looking for something fun and exciting and shiny, this manicure set is absolutely perfect for you, and as it is for me. As you can see, I have done my nails with this manicure set. I choose the blue color to do most of my nails, and I wanted to show you on my ring finger the cat's eye. The set actually comes with 2 different cat's eye colors and the magnet. The set also comes with the black, which is really important because you need to use the black color as a base for all of the colors except for 319. 319 you can use on its own. So it comes with your black base already. You have a really nice selection of colors, 2 cat's eye and 2 sparklies that come in different color sets. So this is a beautiful set. I love my nails. I think my manicures come out really pretty every time I do them, and I think you'll love it too. And that's my point of view.